Hey kindergarten! All right, we're gonna do our last phonics lesson this week, lesson 125, 125. Okay, here we go. All right, and today we get to learn about this letter right here. And we already know that this is an E, but this is actually a sneaky E. And we're gonna learn why this E is sneaky and what that means when we see this sneaky E in a word. All right, so we're talking about our sneaky E. So do you know what this picture is? Yeah, it's a picture of a cake. And I'm gonna write that word next to it on this whiteboard here. So that we spell cake, C-A-K-E. All right, now in our picture card, we see that the E is striked out because this is a sneaky E. And it's sneaky because it doesn't make a sound. Okay, so in our word cake, do you hear the E sound at the end? Cake. Nope. So that's why it's sneaky. We're going to cross it out. Now, the dash represents a consonant. So in our word cake, the consonant is a K. It's going to make its normal sound. And the A has a long vowel symbol on the top of it. So we know that this says it's a long sound and not a short sound. Okay, and I'm going to explain how the E is so sneaky and why the A has to make a long sound instead of a short sound next. All right, now this E is sneaky because it does not make a sound. So that means that this E is going to sneak up on the vowel A and scare it. And when a sneaky E scares a vowel, it makes the vowel say its long sound instead of its short sound. So when we read this word with a sneaky E, we read it as a k. We don't hear the E at the end because it's sneaky, and the E scares the A to make its long sound. So now this word says ache, and we are going to code it like this. We're going to put the long vowel sound on top of the A because we know that that makes a long sound. And then the E is going to get a strike through. We're going to cross it out because the E doesn't make a sound. So this word says bake. All right, we're going to try another one. All right, you can get out a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, and we're going to use those next. Okay, now I want you to write this word, C-A-V-E. Write the word C-A-V-E. Do you see any vowels in this word? Yep, A and V. So when you see two vowels in the word, A and V, and there's a consonant in between them, most likely the E is going to be sneaky. So let's say that this E is a sneaky E. That tells us that the E is silent, so we're going to cross it out. And the E scares the A to make a good long sound. Let's try to read this word. The C is still going to make its K sound, and the V is going to make a V sound. So let's try to read our word. Ready? K-A-V. K-A-V. What word did we just write? Good, we wrote the word cave. All right, let's do one more. I want you to write this word down. M-A-K-E. M-A-K-E. Do you see any vowels in this word? Yep, A and E. Are they separated by a consonant? Yes, they are. They're separated by a K. That means that this E is probably going to be sneaky. So we're going to cross that out because the E doesn't make a sound if it's sneaky. And the E scares the A and makes it say its good long sound. So we're going to put a long vowel symbol on top, which is called a macron. And the M and the K are going to make their normal sound. So let's try to read this word. Now ready? a k. Ma-a-k. What word did we just write? Ma-a-k. Make. Very good. All right, awesome job. So we just learned a consonant E. And if we see a consonant E, the A is going to say its long sound. So it's going to say A, right? A consonant E, A makes the A sound. Very good. All right, now what you can do. All right, so you've got your worksheet, 125, your name's at the top, and then by the number 1 here, I want you to write down what we just learned, a consonant E. So you're going to write A dash E, and if we see a consonant E, that most likely means the E is sneaky and it makes the A sound long. So I want you to write an A after with the long symbol on top of it, which is called a macron. That's right. A consonant E makes the A sound. So number 1, yours should look like that. All right, now let's look at number 2 right here. Okay, look at the word by number 2. Do you see any vowels? Yep, A and E. Okay, is there a sneaky E on the end of this word? Yes, I think so. So we cross out the sneaky E. So go ahead and cross out the sneaky E. And when a vowel has a consonant, so A has a consonant and a sneaky E after it, how do we code it? How do we code the A? Yep, we code it with the macron, the long vowel symbol on top like that. Now let's try to read this word. Ready? Cake. Cake. Can you find the picture of a cake and draw a line to it? Awesome. All right, number 3. Do you see any vowels in this word? Yep, A and V. Do you see a sneaky E in this word? A consonant E, that means this E is sneaky. And if that E is sneaky, it's going to scare the A, make it sound long. So how should we code it? That's right, with the macron, long vowel symbol. Cave. Cave. Find the picture of a cave and draw a line to it. Perfect. And the last word. Do you see any vowels in this word? Yep, A consonant E. That means E is sneaky. We cross it out. E sneaks up on the A, scares it, makes it sound long. We put a macron on top. This is a blend right here. Plain. Plain. Find the plane and draw a line to it. Very good. Okay, now we're going to go down to number 5, 6, and 7. Okay, on number 5, I want you to spell the word gate. G-A-T. What makes the G sound? G. G does. So I want you to write lowercase g on that first dash there. G-A-T. What makes the A sound? A does. And what makes the T sound? T. What am I missing at the end? G-A-T. What letter do we have to add to the end of a word to sneak up behind the vowel and make it long? What letter does that? We just learned it, the sneaky E, so we're going to write an E at the end. G-A-T. Gate. Can you find the gate and draw a line to it? Good. All right, number 6. 6, I want you to write the word wave. Wa-ave. What makes the W sound? W, lowercase w. A, W-A. A makes the A sound. W-A-V. V makes the V sound. And what am I missing? What sneaks up on other letters to make them sound long. Yeah, the sneaky E. So my word says wave. Can you find the wave and draw a line to it? Awesome. Now what picture is left? What is this? That is a cane. Can you spell the word cane down here? K-A-N. What makes the K sound? Could be C or K. And to figure out if it's C or K, what comes after? K-A. A comes after. And does C or K go with the letter A? C does. K-A-N. N. N. And we're missing our sneaky E. Perfect. Draw a line to the cane. Perfect. All right, you can go ahead and flip your paper to the back. You're ready. Then on the back side, I want you to look at our high frequency words in our box, and I want you to try to read them. Then I want you to write them down here. So you're going to write the word who. And then you're going to write the word then. So we get some extra practice writing our high frequency words. When you're done writing all of those out, you can go and read them to mom or dad or brother or sister. You make sure your name's at the top, and then this is going to go in your packet to hand in on Monday.